Hey, it's Mr. G here. We're going to factor quadratic expressions. This is part two. Part two of factoring quadratic expressions. So we're going to just show the formula. X squared plus bx plus c. So this has three terms, so it's considered a trinomial. And in this example, I'm going to include ones with negative terms that make up the the expression. So here's the example: x squared plus 4x minus 21. So it might be helpful to create a little chart that when these two terms we're going to use added together, they're going to equal the second term, but when multiplied together, they're going to equal the third term. So when added together, they're going to equal the middle term. When multiplied together, they're going to equal the third term, which we should note is negative 21. The middle term is positive 4. So because it's negative, we have to kind of consider that in our chart. Okay. So let's see here. What do we have here? Well, not much. 1 times negative 21 is certainly negative 21. But 1 minus 21 is negative 20. All right, and we're looking for 4. So you can switch the order. You can say negative 1 times 21, and you're probably thinking, well, that's not going to be it either, but negative 1 times 21 is negative 21, but negative 1 plus 21 is just positive 20. So there's not that many factors to 21 or negative 21, but we can try another one. Make our chart look nice. Okay. So that one didn't work, and that one didn't work. Then there's 7 times 3. Well, not 7 times 3, because remember it's a negative 21, so it'd have to be 7 times negative 3. Okay, so 7 times negative 3 does equal negative 21, and 7 minus 3 equals 4. So we do have our winner. The factors are 7 and negative 3. You could also try negative 7 and times positive 3, because that's also negative 21. And negative 7 plus 3, that's actually negative 4. That's negative 4. But we found our winner. Our winner is 7 and negative 3. 7 and negative 3. So we'll set up our problem. Okay. X plus 7 times x minus 3. And that's how you would write your answer to factoring a quadratic expression. If you multiply those two binomials together, you'll end up what you started with. And because of the commutative property, because you can switch two multipliers, you can switch their orders. So I'll cover that next time, but essentially, just remember FOIL. First, outside, inside, last. And that is how you would get back to your quadratic expression. So this was a little more complicated because you had a negative third term, so then you'll have to have at least one of the multipliers be negative. Thanks for watching.